In this episode, we are going to introduce how to use analog camera's OSD function. Right-click on the Live View window in the Preview interface and click on the Coaxial option to enter the OSD menu control interface. Here, you can see various options in the main menu. Let's start from the video format settings. You can switch the video format within TVI, HD, CVI, and CVBS, and change the resolution, the frame rate here. After you make your changes, go to the Save and Restart option and click Enter. The exposure mode can be chosen from Global, BLC, DWDR, or HLC. And you can adjust their value in below. You can also reduce the flickering effect caused by artificial light sources by turning on the anti-flicker function. You can adjust the light intensity automatically or manually in the light control option.